Junior doctors threatening strike over salary delay. A group of 36 junior doctors at the Edward Francis Teaching Hospital have said they intend to embark on an indefinite sit-down strike unless government does something about persistent delay of their salaries. In a statement issued on July 29, shared with the media, the doctors, most of them fresh graduates from the University of the Gambia, started work at the hospital in May 2025. In that very first month, our salaries were paid a week after other staff received theirs. On June 30, Chief of Medical Director informed us that our salaries were going to be delayed for 2 weeks. Again, the 29th of July 2025, Tuesday, all other staff of Edward Francis Teaching Hospital received their salary except us, the court of junior doctors. We continue to be left hanging and toying around, demanding for our hard-earned money each of the month, the doctors complain. The junior doctors further allege that they have been following up this problem with both of the ministries of health and finance, but despite repeated assurances, they have not still been paid as of July 29, 2025. The doctors expressed frustration at being repeatedly told that their salaries would be delayed, only to see other staff members receive theirs. They call on the government to address their plight and pay their salaries on time. The Standard contacted Chief Medical Director Mustafa Biti, who said it is true that their salaries have been delayed in the past 2 months since their employment, but for this month, the salaries have not been delayed before their planned strike action. It is very premature to undertake industrial actions before the contractual period of a month, as stated in the Labour Act. The law also requires a 21-day notice before essential service provider goes on strike. I must say that the government has improved on the onboarding of house officers in the payroll, especially with this group of nurses officers, with a record reduced delay in both months. This process in the past last 8 months, the government is working on paying as the process is now at the level of the Treasury Department and we are expecting the payment by next week. It has not been started that this